Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Informed Society for Marketing Science, I would like to welcome you to the final stage of the judging for the 2022 Gary Lillian Marketing Science Impact Prize. Now is in its 11th round, and my name is Lan Luo, chairman of the judges of the prize. And the society's bylaw states that its purpose is to foster development, dissemination, implementation of knowledge, basic and applied research, science and technology that improves the understanding and practice of marketing. So the purpose of the prize is to highlight excellence on the dimensions of practice and implementation. According to the prize protocol, and I quote, "The practice prize is awarded for an outstanding implementation of marketing science, concepts, and methods. The methodology used must be sound and appropriate to the problem and the organization. And the work should have verifiable, significant, and quantifiable impact on the performance of the client organization. In other words, the award is designed to recognize both rigor of the work along with its relevance and organizational impact." And here, I would like to introduce the judges for this practice prizes here. So I'm joined by a very prestigious panel of judges, Michael Cohen from Marketing Evolution, Phil Leslie from Amazon, Robert Mokler from Facebook, Kong Pals from Northeastern, Olivier Toubier from Columbia, John Winton-Breaker from Ipsos, Juan Zhang from MIT. So here I would like to remind everyone the judging criteria. So implementation, so we want to really think about who uses for what and how. Impact, what value was created throughout the organization. Methodology, what is the learning and leading edge applications that come from this? Technology or originality, does it demonstrate uniqueness and flair? Difficulty, what are the politics and problems, and how the technical issues solve those problems? Transferability, how can we use this in other organizations? And finally, charm. By charm, we mean we want to know what this type of work would have impact on the broader society and if this will be newsworthy. And lastly, I want to introduce the 4 talks that we're going to hear today. And the following presentations really represent the final stage of a rigorous selection process. So the prize committee has reviewed many excellent entries, each of which was described by the work by itself and also its impact to the client organization. And from the entries, the judges have selected 4 finalists whose presentations we're about to hear. And each of the finalists have been asked to provide the judges with details of their problem they're working on and the approach they choose to solve the problem and the model they use in the approach and the action they take and how has really impacted the resulting management intervention at the company. So without further ado, I'm going to give the floor to the first speaker. But before we start, I would like to thank the Informed Society of Marketing Science, the Marketing Science Institute, the European Marketing Academy, with generous sponsorship. Without their generosity, this practice prize would not be possible. So please join me in thanking those organizations. So now I'm going to give the floor to the first speaker of the day. Okay, thank you.